If you aren't taking smoothies, just know it's time to surprise your taste bug with this amazing smoothie recipe. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be making banana watermelon smoothie. For this recipe, I'll be using 2 ripe banana. I'll simply cut it this way, then add it into the blender. After that, I'll also be adding some watermelon cubes. But just in case you're wondering how I was able to cut this watermelon into this shape, I'm all about creativity. You can watch my previous video where I share tips and tricks on how to cut and serve watermelon into different shapes. The link will be at the description box, so please do ensure you check it out. After transferring the watermelon, I'll add little water to aid the blending process, then cover and blend till a period. Guys, watermelon and banana are very healthy fruits. They aid in the digestion process, they help to detoxify the body and also boost the immune system. Please try out this recipe and I'm sure your taste bud will leave you wowed. Okay, after blending, our banana watermelon smoothie is ready. I'm sure you all enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. Like, share and leave a comment in the comment section on which smoothie is your best smoothie. See you all next time with another amazing recipe. Do remember to eat healthy and stay healthy.